New car tariffs are here, and they could push car prices way up. Trump is back. But here is the twist. Even cars made in the US are getting more expensive. In this video I will explain what these new tariffs mean, which brands are already reacting, and how even Tesla could feel the heat. By the end you will know exactly how this affects you as a buyer in 2025. And while you are here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At the end of March of 2025, Donald Trump announced a set of new tariffs. Now all cars brought from other countries will get hit of 25% fee. All imported goods get a base 10% tax. And if a country trades a lot more to the US than it buys back, the tax is even higher. China 34%, Europe 20%. What does that include? Everything from sedans to SUVs, gearboxes, engines, even cars assembled in US but made with an important parts. Even if your car says built in Michigan, it could still carry of 40% of foreign parts mix. And that's now taxed. What this means for the average buyer? Let's talk the numbers. Expert says prices could rise from $3,600 to $8,600 per car. Even American-made cars could go up by $4,200. That's from a study by CAR from Michigan. And imports like Toyota RAV4 or Subaru Crosstrek might jump 10 to 15% just like that. So, if you might plan to buy a 45k SUV, it might cost more than 50k after these tariffs. Next one, consumer impact and dealer response. Reddit forums are full of buy now advice. Dealerships are putting tariff-free signs on their cars in stock. Some are quietly raising prices. Others hide it in sneaky extras. But here is the worst part, even if prices don't go up now. They probably will by summer, when old stock runs out and new cars arrived with the text baked in. How car manufacturers react for this? American brands like Ford, General Motors are being careful. They don't want to start drama, but they said clearly, this will make it harder to make cars, cost more and even cut jobs. Ford CEO said 25% tariff that could blow a hole in the US car industry. Still, Ford tried to turn it into a good thing. They launched a deal called From America for America, where everyone gets employee pricing. Actually, it's a smart move, but just temporarily. German brands are not happy. Volkswagen said it's bad for the economy. BMW is paying extra fees for now, but only until May. Mercedes said they are not leaving the US. But you can tell they are frustrated. Volkswagen even stopped shipping cars by train from Mexico and held back ships from Europe. Chinese brands? They were small in the US anyway. Now they are pretty much gone. A 34% of tax kills the electric cars in the American market. China already said we'll strike back. So yeah, this trade fight is just heating up. What about Tesla? You would think that Tesla's safe because it's American, right? Not really. About 35% of Tesla's parts come outside from the US. So with the new taxes, it cost for Tesla an extra $4,000 per car to build. Now they have got two choices. Raise prices by around 9% or take the loss, which could cost them $3 billion per year. And most of their batteries still come from China, and that's another problem. Some analysts say Tesla actually benefits from this, because small EV brands like Rivian and Polestar, who rely even more on foreign parts, are struggling worse. Meanwhile, in Europe, Tesla sales are dropping, except in the UK, where they are rising, thanks to better lease deals and fewer tariffs. Next one, Wall Street didn't like the news. Stocks of auto brands, especially German, took a hit. Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes down sharply. Tesla went up, but I think short term. Why? Because everyone knows this ends one of two ways. Higher prices or lower profits for car companies. And in both cases it's us, the buyers, who pay the price. So, what should you do? If you are planning to buy a car, buy it now. Prices will likely go up by summer. Even used car prices might rise too. Be smart. Ask where your car was built. Ask where the parts came from. And keep watching the news. This trade war isn't over yet. Guys, so tell me, do you think this will help to the car industry or hurt it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't miss out, follow for more. Bye!